In this video, I'll show you how to insert text box in MS Word. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. So this is our MS Word document, right? So I'm going to insert a text box. What you need to do, if you want to insert a text box, you need to click on this insert right here. Scroll down, you will see the text box. Click on it. You can see we just inserted the text box, and we can adjust it till any length we want. It can be down here. You can come in the inside and maybe type anything you want to type, maybe HowTo, right? So this is basically how you can insert a text box in MS Word. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.